Spoken narration, ghost-written by the above artist. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey there, green thumbs and curious minds. Today I'm diving into something that's truly fascinating, plant tissue culture. Now, whether you're a passionate gardener working in your cozy kitchen or a scientist in a high-tech lab, this field has something for you. So what exactly is plant tissue culture? In the simplest terms, it's a technique where you grow new plants from a small piece of plant tissue. Picture this, you snip a tiny bit of your favorite plant, place it in a nutrient-rich medium, and boom, you've got a clone. It's like magic, but with science. For the home gardener, this means you can multiply your favorite plants without needing seeds. Imagine having a kitchen counter full of thriving orchids, all cloned from your prized bloom. It's not just about beauty, though. This method is also fantastic for preserving rare or endangered species. You're not just gardening, you're saving the planet one plant at a time. Now, let's scale things up a bit. In the world of science, plant tissue culture opens doors to groundbreaking research. Scientists use it to study plant diseases, genetic modifications, and even develop new plant varieties. This means more resilient crops, better yields, and ultimately a more sustainable future. It's like having a superhero power for plants, but it doesn't stop there. This technique has revolutionized the agriculture industry, creating a multi-million-dollar market. Think about it, mass-producing plants that are disease-free and genetically identical. Farmers can now grow crops more efficiently with less risk of losing them to pests or unpredictable weather. It's a game changer. And for those orchid enthusiasts out there, plant tissue culture is a dream come true. Imagine being able to propagate that elusive orchid you spent years hunting for. It's no longer just a hobby. It's a passion that you can share and expand on endlessly. So, how do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. You'll need a few basic supplies, a sterile workspace, some plant tissue, a growth medium, and a little patience. Start small. Maybe with a succulent or a herb you love, and watch it grow, and soon enough you'll be hooked. Remember, every great scientist and gardener started with that first curious step. Plant tissue culture isn't just a technique, it's a journey into the amazing world of plant life. So, grab your scissors, get your hands dirty, and explore the endless possibilities that await. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this as exciting as I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay green, stay curious, and see you next time.